Hello everyone, my name is Maya and welcome back to our channel. We're so happy to have you here today and we're going to be showing you a very informative video. Be sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video. Now tell me, you can be honest with your fellow dip sister. Do you ever suffer from a dull manicure? Do you struggle with your finish gel getting thick and gooey? Do you feel pain when your nail is chipped or cracked, only to find your manicure ruined? If you said yes to any of those questions, we're going to show you tips and tricks on how to get a long-lasting, shiny manicure, so keep watching. Let's start by going through the first 5 steps of the dip powder application.
Step 1. Prep nails. Using a fine drill bit or buffer, remove shine from nails, then shape as desired. Step 2. Apply a thin layer of pro base using even and thin strokes from base to tip. Step 3. Dip finger and dip powder using a scooping motion. Step 4. Repeat the pro base and dipping steps.
Quick tip, be sure to remove the excess dip powder from your nail. If you don't, the layer will be uneven and the pro base can get contaminated.
Meaning the colored powder will get inside the pro base or finish gel and could cause the liquid to get dull, thick, or even discolored. Let's get into our next step. Activator is a thin liquid and we call this our step 2 liquid. Apply a generous amount of activator to the cuticle and to the free edge. Apply an even coat of activator to each nail individually, wiping the brush on a lint-free surface before returning back to your bottle. It's really important that you place the activator brush back into the bottle before applying the activator to your next nail so that the activator brush can absorb more liquid. Now let dry for 2 minutes.
Your first layer of activator is to dry your pro base and dip powder. Your second layer of activator is to dry your finish gel. Applying enough activator will harden the pro base and dip powder, making it really easy to shape the nail. This way, the activator can adhere to the natural nail, preventing any chipping or cracking. Another quick tip, tap the nail and when you hear that hard click, that's when you know it's time to shape and file your nails.
Shape the nails with a file or drill and smooth using a buffer.
Earlier we showed you how to apply activator evenly. We will be repeating that step, but watch closely. This is where we'll get the high shine look.
Apply a generous amount of activator to the nail and to the free edge as well. As you can see, we're applying lots of activator and sometimes more is better. Don't forget to rub on a lint-free surface and put the brush into the activator bottle. Quick tip, use a lint-free wipe and rub the nail. This will help absorb any extra activator that's left on the nail and help quicken the drying process.
Why, you ask? If your finish gel brush comes in contact with your activator, this could harden your finish gel brush. And a hard brush will make it difficult to ensure that your finish gel layers are thin and even. Applying the finish gel too soon after the activator is applied could cause streaks and spots on your nails. Now, moving on, finish gel is our step 3 liquid. Look closely. This is where we apply our finish gel. There is 2 layers of this liquid. The first layer of finish gel seals the manicure, while the second layer of finish gel gives you that high shine look.
Another pro tip, when using your liquids, it's always a good idea to always wipe your brush on the same side of the rim every time. Removing the liquid on different sides of the bottle or rim can cause the rim to get dirty and help gather that pro base or finish gel, leading the bottles to get stuck. Apply 2 to 3 thin strokes of finish gel quickly and in one direction. It's really okay if your first application isn't perfect, but make sure to cover the entire nail with this first layer.
Moving the brush back and forth can cause the finish gel to thicken, the brush to harden, and make your top coat less shiny.
Quick tip, every time you are about to put your finish gel brush back into the bottle, you want to clean your brush with a lint-free wipe.
This prevents cross-contamination between the activator and the finish gel.
Meaning, if the finish gel brush has been in contact with the activator on the nail, putting this brush back into the bottle may result in the finish gel becoming thick and gooey. Your manicure could have matte streaks or spots, no shine, a hardened brush, and uneven layers. Now, with the second top coat of finish gel, there is no magic trick. Just apply a thin layer from the cuticle to the tip. Remember to cap the free edge. You can be incredibly detailed if you like. Just make sure you don't miss any spots because you want that high shine manicure that will last for 2 weeks or more. Make sure to clean your brush again before putting it back into the bottle.
Lastly, give your nails some love with some cuticle oil. Here we used our peach mango scented one. I hope you learned some new tips and tricks, and I'm so excited to see your new shiny manicures. Make sure to like this video, subscribe for more content, and leave a comment letting us know which tip was the most helpful. Bye! Thanks for watching. See you next time.